Can you earn more than $100,000 just as a teacher? Of course. The federal government is recruiting teachers right now, and all you need is a bachelor's degree and 1 year teaching experience. And watch this to learn how you can make good money if you're a teacher looking to escape the classroom. Stick around to find out why teachers make six figures and how you can start your thrilling journey in this high-paying career. To apply for special FBI positions, you want to visit the FBI's official website. You might be wondering, why would the FBI be interested in teachers? Teachers possess a unique set of skills that align perfectly with the FBI's needs. Research over the years continue to show that the teaching profession always emerges in the top 3 professions that generate millionaires. It's not just because of how much money teachers make, and they do make great money, contrary to what the population believes, but it's mainly because of the traits that teachers possess. Firstly, teachers are experts in communication. Secondly, their patience and adaptability enable them to handle complex situations with ease. Lastly, teachers are natural problem solvers, making them excellent at analyzing evidence and uncovering the truth. In the classroom, teachers lead by example. They guide students towards success. This leadership quality is equally important in the FBI, as agents often find themselves in high-stakes situations where quick decisions matter. The path to becoming an FBI agent is not simple, but wait. To join the FBI as an educator, you must meet some basic requirements. First of all, you must be a U.S. citizen. You must hold a valid driver's license and have a bachelor's degree, not necessarily in education, just a bachelor's degree. You would need 2 years of work experience or 1 year of work as a teacher, especially in special education. And having your teaching certificate is also a big help. And right now is a great time. So take a look here on the website. You can see here from Indeed.com that the FBI is hiring for a special agent. That's what they call it, special agents, education or teaching background. This one, for example, is Boston, Massachusetts, but any state in the United States will pay you the same. You see here it starts at $78,000 and goes all the way up to $153,000 a year for a full-time position. Here are the benefits: 401k, dental insurance, flexible schedules, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off. This is a great position. In your application, you want to highlight your teaching experience, your leadership roles, problem solving skills. All of these things must be highlighted on your application. If selected, you will undergo a rigorous training at the FBI Academy. There you will gain specialized skills from firearms training to investigative techniques. Of course, it won't be easy, but if that's a dream in your heart, you should go for it. Embrace the challenges of being an FBI agent. You also have to be in the age group of 23 years old up to 37 years old. You must be able to obtain a top secret SCI clearance. They want 2 years of full-time professional work experience, but then you can waive that. If you are a special ed teacher, they will take 1 year because they are desperate for people like you who have those great qualities in them. All of these will be essential for your success. And there you have it, teachers. Why wait? Start your journey today and you could be making 6 figures in no time, especially with these side hustles over here.